anywhere.
No crust anywhere. Just open waters. We're going to Goofy's Sport Deck. They're coming. 13 we need, but we're going to go to 11. What are they watching today? Bolt clubbing. So we're heading to Goofy's Sports Centre on deck 13. Donald's feet.
Dad,
Oh yeah.
I'm allowed to go on the aqueduct, but I've got to go with him.
That's fine, we can do that. Yeah, we can do that.
Because otherwise I wouldn't be able to see.
No, I know. Well, a bit of maintenance going on this morning. So right at the back of the Disney Dream, you got all your mini golf, foosball, sports simulators. Here we go.
Can we do this golf one?
Yeah, do golf. So you got, what you got in there? Golf in that one. What are they playing? Baseball.
Can we do golf?
Morning. We do, yeah, 10 o'clock. 8060.
I think
we're gonna clear out maybe.
So you got golf on this side.
home one. That
It's pretty cool.
golf.
And then that side is your sports side, I think.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Have you used the simulator before?
We've not used a simulator before, no.
I'll show you.
Thank you very much.
All your equipment is here. The
Yep.
only thing I need to tell you about this is if you're going to play the ice hockey,
Okay,
plastic ice needs to go down on the floor first. It'll just help the pucks fly up this way.
cool.
Then it's all touchscreen. You just use the blue arrows here
Yeah.
to change the sport. When
Perfect.
you decide on a sport, you click this way where it says click to play at the top. And then in every single game, if you decide halfway through, oh, I don't like this one, I want to change it.
Yeah,
Visual sports in the left bottom corner is in
Okay.
every game. That's what
Yeah.
you click to exit, and it'll take you back to the main screen.
perfect.
And you're
Yeah.
all good to go.
All right, thank you very much. And is it half hour?
Oh, half an hour.
Half an hour, lovely. Thank you. Yeah, you do football, yeah? Soccer.
It's football though in our country.
Yeah.
But it's actually
It is
soccer.
football.
It was soccer,
It used to be soccer.
but then we changed it.
Yeah. Put it on the floor then. You go first, you
I
lace.
play this in school now.
It's here. Yeah, 2 player. You a rookie, you a pro, or you're an all-star?
Guess what? Mr. Walters our goalie.
Mr. Walters is your goalie, is he? Goofy's in goal by the looks of it.
Yeah. Goofy looks like Mr. Walters.
On the beach,
Do you think say
is he?
oh.
Oh, quick, go get it.
Yay!
Oh, that was like you.
Went straight over. Kick.
Ten.
I'm gonna have. Denny's good at football.
Oh, we're
Oh,
still
that
on
was a
player-
good
we're
kick.
still on
Oh,
player
he
one.
saved it.
I don't know how I did that though.
Literally take it in turns.
Do that, Dad.
Yeah, I did see it.
She's crying.
Hello. Nice of you to join us.
Oh, I went to the front.
We had a little bit of a detour as well.
Whoa!
Now.
Not player one.
Oh. It's like De Gea in goal, Goofy is. Corner lace. Like that. Oof. Bit wide that,
Not
Lil.
like that though.
No, pop it on the floor. Pop it here, look. In here.
I didn't.
Oh, good save. Ooh. Level games going on.
Might be first.
Wait, what balls are
2 players, Lil. Keep setting them up. So there's just 3. Balloon, bottles, or glass.
Oh, I think
Wait for the green light.
You've got right-handed clubs and these two.
Go.
Balls here, and you have tees just behind them.
Okay.
Woo!
Well done.
Get the
Go
ball.
now, get another one.
You got 19 seconds. You got to step back, cheater.
Yes.
Go, quick.
Don't lean on that.
Quick. Take them. Don't think you do that.
Throw it now.
Throw it.
I don't want to hit you in the head, mate.
You got 7,600 points. That's pretty good.
More passion.
Don't throw it for me, mate. Me?
Mate.
Click the balls. But don't go in my aim fire. Brother. Behind me.
Oi, Chia, get behind the line. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yeah.
My go. Get the balls.
We got 0 points, guys. How's that possible?
We hit them. This game's rigged. I hit the bobbies.
This game's rigged. The clock's on, guys.
Do you have to get the glowing? Glowing balloons provide extra shock. I see you.
I was
CBA.
crawling. Look, passing the ball.
Yeah, but it can't be responsibility.
Oh my god. I'm hitting in the wrong
I'll give you
one.
10 points if you hit Lily.
I hit it.
Oh, I missed it.
I win. Say that side Okay. Make sure we've got like rugby.
Can we play basketball?
Basketball? Yeah.
Yep, wait.
The driveway. Let's do that.
Do the driveway.
Oh, a bit more power.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got one in.
Oh, it's turned. Bit more power. Step a bit closer. 1 foot closer. This is my turn.
Yeah.
Oh, Lily's turn. Quick. Stop.
We got 1 point, Dad.
Well done, mate.
Over. The little ball machine. One basket.
Two baskets.
baskets. All gone a bit harder.
Technically, one was mine though, so still one was.
No, that was 0 when she took over.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Well, we'll look back on the footage then, won't we?
Okay, can we go?
One was definitely mine.
Should we do
What time have we
the...
got to have that?
Done that. Yeah.
Strike.
Replay. It was a good throw. Out of bounds.
Step a bit closer, you come further back. Oh,
Just nearly hit his head.
quick, I got to throw it to the catcher. No, careful because it's a hard.
Strike.
I got it.
Yeah, that's good. Can't remember it was a strike, but.
Yeah, strike's good.
Oh. Okay. Delete that.
No. It's on both. Yeah, do ice hockey, yeah. Oh,
I got a straight out.
you did get a strike out. Well done.
Bernard embauché, il m'a fait, il a même répondu quand je suis. Mais.
Parce que du coup, vous êtes
Oh, that's not good.
You gave someone a ball.
You just got a home run on my only shot. It's 40-mile-an-hour speed, mind.
Can we play ice hockey? Mine's better.
Good shot.
Let's
Nice.
shut the door.
Shut the door. Nice shot. Shoot. These are good shots.
A bit more power.
Well done. Oh, he saved it again.
Catch your puck. 2 shots left.
Wow.
One shot
Vous l'avez vu
left.
ce qu'elle a fait?
Did you save it again? It's a Barthez. That's it. Oh. Did you put rookie on or expert?
Rookie.
He's a good goalie. Well done, Lace.
Go on then, Mel.
Oui, j'ai dit, allez-y, il reste 1 minute, faites encore 2-3 bouts et
Oh
I'm
dear.
trying to do better than that.
Oh my days.
You just got to push the puck. You don't have to hit it. Oh, well done.
Hockey, love.
She pretty good.
No.
Laser beam.
What's a laser beam?
It's 32 mile an hour. That good? Have a good day. That was good fun though, wasn't it?
This ain't Minnie's goals, this is Goofy's goals.
But you have to pay for that, don't you?
Yeah, you do have to pay for it.
No, but there's just 3 balls.
It was only like.
So, good to try once though. Yeah. Nothing but sea.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys! Bye guys!